Hey there, it's McCare. My calendar says that I owe you a small projects update today, and we are going to do that. But I want to mention one thing first. I'm in Texas, and I spent the day debating whether I should record today or not, whether it was right. And I'm not sure. But I do feel a sense of obligation to you. So I'm going to give you my small projects update, but at the end of this video, I will include a silent minute of video. And you can use that to send thoughts of healing to the families who need it, or to look up how to write your congressman, or whatever you feel like you need to do about it. Okay, let's get on to that small projects update. One small project that I don't think I've talked to y'all about yet is that I got 3 food grade buckets, and I set one at each of our trees, and I have some comfrey down in the bottom of them, and they're catching rain. I put a brick in the bottom of each bucket so that they wouldn't blow over because our rain comes with wind. But I'm going to use these to collect water and make compost tea at each tree, so I won't have to hike back up the hill to get compost tea when I'm using my hose end sprayer. That's what that thing is called. So we got 2¼ inches the other night of rain, and I will have to top these off with the hose, but for now, that project is started. The mini potted worm bin experiment does not seem to be going well at all. If you can see, the plants are like seriously suffering from nitrogen deficiency, sorry. They're growing better than the non-nitrogen fixing plants did in it, but not very well at all. But this one does have a couple of good spiders in it, so we'll see what they do. As for the mini soil blocks, I planted out the lettuce already. Did you know I started lettuce in those? Because I did. I planted that out already, and I planted out most of the mulleins already. And the thyme is still in my room, and the chamomiles just came out so I could pot them up. So I'll be doing that, or I'll probably block those up actually, not pot them up. I'll be doing that in the next week or so. And the last small project that we'll look at today is the pine berries, Winter's pine berries. Winter, do you watch these videos? I don't even know if you do. Anyways, his pine berries are doing really well. They're putting on a lot of runners, and they're filling up their pots nicely. And so I should have 1 full pot to send with Winter at the end of the season, lots in the ground, and then another pot with just the one in it for myself. So that is what's going on with those. I'm looking forward to tasting them, but they're not supposed to produce fruit in the first year, so that one might, but those definitely will not. I do have one large project that I am starting to work on. I'm learning about it right now, and I'm going to keep it a secret from y'all until it's really going. But it's going to happen right back there, right behind me here. And, oops, sorry. And I'm gonna need some help raising capital for it, but I don't feel like today is the day to talk about that. So let's come back to that another day. But just know I have a big secret that's going to go on back here. I know that was really quick. It was a really fast video, but there's a quick overview of what's going on here. And I'm going to give you your minute of silence and I will see you next week. Later, y'all. Take good care of each other, please.